Protecting intellectual property in international markets requires a strategic, multi-jurisdictional approach. Here are the key steps businesses should take to safeguard their IP globally. The first step is to register IP rights in target markets. Intellectual property rights such as trademarks, patents, and copyrights are territorial, meaning they must be registered in each country where protection is sought. Using systems like the Madrid Protocol for trademarks or the Patent Cooperation Treaty for patents simplifies multi-country filings, ensuring consistent protection across borders. The next step is to use strong contracts and licensing agreements. Well-drafted contracts are essential when sharing IP with foreign partners, distributors, or manufacturers. Licensing agreements should include clear terms on the scope of use, royalties, and IP ownership, along with confidentiality and non-compete clauses to prevent misuse or unauthorized reproduction. Monitor and enforce IP rights is another factor to consider in protecting your IP across borders. Regular monitoring is critical to detect unauthorized use, counterfeiting, or infringement. Businesses should watch for trademark or patent filings that may conflict with their IP. In cases of infringement, companies can take swift action through cease and desist letters, customs intervention, or lawsuits in the relevant jurisdiction. You should also leverage international treaties to protect your IP rights around the world. Global treaties like the World Trade Organization's TRIPS agreement and WIPO administered treaties provide frameworks for IP enforcement across member countries. These treaties ensure that rights holders have access to fair legal remedies in international markets. Consider partnering with local legal experts is another layer of protection you can include in your IP enforcement arsenal. IP laws vary significantly by country, so partnering with the local counsel helps navigate local regulations and enforcement mechanisms effectively. Experienced attorneys can guide businesses through registration, enforcement, and dispute resolution processes. By combining international registrations, strong contracts, vigilant monitoring, and the use of global treaties, businesses can protect their intellectual property across borders and preserve their rights.